One of the biggest challenges with traditional test automation is maintenance. As applications evolve, even minor changes to the user interface can cause automated tests to fail. In many cases, the functionality is still working correctly, but the test can no longer locate the element it was originally designed to interact with. TestWheel addresses this challenge through AI-powered self-healing. After creating or converting a test within TestWheel, teams can enable self-healing and execute the test to establish a successful baseline. As the application changes over time, elements may be renamed, relocated, or updated. When a test encounters one of these changes and cannot find the expected element, TestWheel does not immediately fail the execution. Instead, the platform intelligently evaluates alternative locators and attributes associated with that element, identifying the most likely match within the application. Once a valid match is found, TestWheel continues executing the test, allowing the workflow to complete without unnecessary interruptions. This reduces the time spent troubleshooting broken scripts and helps teams maintain stable automation as their applications evolve. At the end of execution, users receive their standard test report along with a dedicated self-healing report that provides visibility into what changed, how the issue was resolved, and which elements required healing during the test run. With TestWheel AI self-healing, automation becomes more resilient, more maintainable, and better equipped to keep pace with modern software development.